Hey everyone, welcome back to the Business Book Club, where we break down the best business and personal development books in under 5 minutes. Today, we're diving into The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. This book is essential reading for entrepreneurs, offering a powerful approach to building and scaling businesses through continuous innovation. If you want to learn how to test your ideas quickly, avoid wasted effort, and create something your customers truly want, then this book is for you. Let's jump into the key concepts of the Lean Startup and how they can transform your approach to building a business. The Lean Startup is built on the idea that startups, whether in tech, retail, or any other industry, can grow more efficiently by focusing on learning quickly and adapting based on real customer feedback. Here are the key principles, along with examples of how they are applied in the real world. 1. Build, measure, learn feedback loop. The core principle of the Lean Startup is the build, measure, learn cycle. This means creating a minimum viable product, MVP, testing it with real customers, measuring the results, and then learning from the feedback to either pivot or persevere. Dropbox famously used this approach by releasing a simple demo video of their file sharing concept. Before they built the full product, they tested demand with that demo, quickly learning what worked and what didn't. This helped them refine their product before investing in a full-scale launch. 2. Minimum viable product, MVP. Instead of spending years perfecting a product, Eric Ries suggests launching a basic version, your MVP, that still delivers value. Zappos, the online shoe retailer, started as a simple MVP. Founder Nick Swinmurn initially took photos of shoes at local stores and posted them online to test demand, proving the concept before building a full e-commerce site. This saved time and money by validating the idea early. 3. Pivot or persevere. The build, measure, learn loop helps entrepreneurs decide whether to pivot, change direction, or persevere, stick with the current plan. Instagram is a famous example of a pivot. The app started as a check-in platform, but when they realized their users loved the photo sharing feature more, they pivoted to focus entirely on that, and the rest is history. 4. Continuous innovation. The Lean Startup method emphasizes that innovation is continuous. It's not about one big launch. Toyota, often associated with the lean manufacturing system, implements continuous improvement, Kaizen, in every aspect of their production. This concept from manufacturing inspired the Lean Startup, showing that innovation and improvement should be ongoing, not just something that happens at the beginning of a business. 5. Validated learning. Instead of guessing what customers want, Ries encourages startups to focus on validated learning, gathering real data from customers to inform product development. Amazon does this constantly. They experiment with new features, measure customer behavior, and adapt based on that data, allowing them to evolve while staying customer focused. Here are 3 quick tips to start applying the Lean Startup methodology today. 1. Launch with an MVP. Like Dropbox, don't wait for perfection. Launch a basic version of your product and start collecting feedback early. 2. Focus on learning, not just launching. Constantly gather data from your customers to refine your product. Like Amazon, use customer insights to guide every update. 3. Embrace the pivot. If your data shows that something isn't working, be ready to pivot like Instagram did. The goal is continuous improvement, not getting stuck on one idea. And that's a wrap on The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Whether you're building a tech startup, a retail business, or any type of company, this approach helps you stay flexible, innovate continuously, and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, don't be afraid to test your ideas, fail fast, and pivot when necessary. That's how the most successful companies thrive. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.